Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you a low competitive, fast-growing side hustle on Etsy that can earn you as much as $4,000 per month. These side hustles can be done by anyone, because it requires no skills and almost no money, just work and effort. I am talking about old photographs that are either damaged or severely weathered, like this, or this, or this. Well, a combination of AI Photoshop in about 10 minutes of work per image. These photographs can be easily transformed from this to this, and you'd be surprised just how much demand there is for this service, how much you can charge, and just how little competition there is on the market right now. This Etsy shop right here is providing a simple restoration service for $25 per image. Using an Etsy analytics tool called Everbay, you can see they are making $933 per month with this service, receiving on average about 51 requests per month. But this is just a safe estimate, because as you can see in the listing, the $25 is for a light retouch, which is just a minor enhancement of the photo. However, if the photograph is severely damaged, or the customer would like to add some color, then the charge could end up being as much as $140. Meaning that this shop could easily be making $7,000 per month with this service. And you can deliver a service like this without any skills using AI tools like Van's Image Colorizer or Hotpot. All of these are beginner friendly and very easy to use. But if you want to get really sophisticated, you can restore some severely damaged photographs or add some extra colors using Photoshop, which has its own photo restoration filter. It takes about 10 minutes of work to transform this damaged photo into this restored version. And you can monetize the service by selling it on Etsy, Fiverr. You can also run your own website with Shopify. Thus, you can turn your new Etsy store into a profitable venture faster than you might think. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you next time.